Hi guys, this is 2008 Toyota Tarago. So this car had a problem. This car is not starting. So you can see the ignition is on. You can turn it on, but it's a crank. It's not cranking the engine. It's a crank. It's not starting. So you're going to check the fusible link in here. I think this explains the problem is there. So this one, that's the fusible link. You can see that we put the test lamp. We can one side get the power, but the other side is no power. So that means the fuse is blown somewhere. So we got the new part. This is the fusible link. That's why we need to replace this one. So it's a part number. We need to off this cover, the front, the wiper blade arms, and the bottom this plate to the access for the fusible link. We take it out the top cover. So now very easy to access for the fusible link. So we're going to check for the alternator direct current. So I'm going to go. There's no power to the alternator. That means that the fuse is blown. Alternator. You can see the 140 ampere, 100 ampere is the fuse. Going to off the air cleaner housing and the battery terminal. Now off this 10mm bolt to ECU out. Got 3 bolts, one in here and the 1 bolt here and the 1 bolt in there. So we're going to off that connectors. Jump out the bottom cover. Okay. I had to push in the clips. Okay. Is the wire, the both side connectors. We're going to install new one like this. And we're going to change other side. It's a 10 mil. Okay, done. Going to put it back to the tower. Okay, we installed all the Fusible Link. Okay, yeah. Guys, we finally done the job. We can go to check for the power line. You can see now is both sides this power is there. You can see the now is alternator is current is there. Get it up and see. Okay, all good. I'm going to start the car. I'm gonna have to starting. Okay, car is running fine. Car is starting. Okay guys, put the key in, the ignition on. Okay guys, car is running fine. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.